white paint shit, so. Did you buy these wheels or what?
Yeah. Right.
Oh, you just bought them?
Yeah. People's market. That was the only problem with the wheels.
Man, they took the whole beat off them bitches.
Huh?
When you put the tires on here?
I do some brand new tires. I put them on like day before yesterday. I mean, they said to put it on because it's low profile tires and because of the dent in the rim,
Yeah.
it wasn't covering the air. So the other store I got, it wasn't dent.
Okay.
It was there first. They said everything.
You gonna have to get these tires balanced anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Probably got a bleeding line, that's all it is. Alright, let's do this one. There we done. There's a tire shop up the street in North York. It's a tire shop like 5 minutes away, they stay open till 7. Huh?
7:30.
Yeah.
If you can't air repair,
You said what?
if you can't be able to air repair,
I'm gonna keep, it's on the B, so. I'm in the B.